The 2016 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find DVD system, Sirius Satellite Radio, steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, power driver seat, universal garage door opener. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.